Hello everyone, let's make some dinner for under $10 meal. Let's start with broccoli florets, and next would be the sweet potato. These bags are marked down for $1, and that is a sweet potato vegetables. Next is the California style vegetable mix, and I will put this in the oven for 375 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until it is cooked. I like mine with a little bit burnt on it on top of veggies. And now let's drizzle this up with this olive oil. Not so much of oil, just drizzle it a little bit and sprinkle it with some garlic powder. Dash original seasoning blend. I like the smell of this, so once you drizzle this on top of the veggies that you like, it would smell good already. And next is onion powder, pepper, and then salt. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I love the colors. Now let's make a mixture to coat our chicken. And this is a Miracle Whip. I don't measure. I put the dash seasoning blend on it, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and I just mix it all up, and it should look like that. Now separate that first bowl that we make, and if you have a breadcrumbs, you can use that as well, but right now I'm going to use my Panko breadcrumbs. And first we are going to cook our chicken on the top of the stove. Dip that chicken on that mixture that we made from the Miracle Whip and some of those seasoning that we put on the Miracle Whip. And always wash your chicken before you cook it. I'm using a gloves right now, so anyway, after that you drop that on that panko breadcrumbs. Boom, look at that. There you go. Coat that up with that panko breadcrumbs, and after that, fry them on top of the stove. There you go. And once it is brown, flip them on the other side, and it should look like that. Look at that. Once they are a little bit brown and cooked, put them in that little pan and put that in the oven for 375 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. And while that chicken is cooking for more, let's make some dressing for the chicken. Let's start with the butter and add some honey on top of it. You can use a stick butter, but right now I'm just going to use this butter from the jar and mix it all up. Whisk and whisk and whisk it. There you go. And boom, look at that. That should be good to go. And then you put that on top of your chicken, drizzle that on top. Look at that. Ain't that look so good with all the colors of the vegetables? And then the chicken. There you go. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.